Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 12R and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So before we will start, a quick disclaimer: I highly recommend to click on the link which is in the description box, because you will be transferred to our website where you can find and check all of the codes I'll present you today, and for example some further explanation will be provided. But of course you can choose and check other tutorials regarding this device, so I highly recommend to click in the link. Alright, so let's start with opening the dialer and let's start with the shortest codes. The first one is *#06#. And as you can see, thanks to this code we are provided with both the main numbers of this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which is actually pretty similar to the previous one. It is *#07#. And thanks to this code we can check the maximum SAR level, so the head and the body of our device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another code which will open the calendar information. It is *##225#*##*#. And as I said, we're in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the software information about this device. So it is *##6776#. And as I said, there we've got the software version, so you can check all the technical information about your device. So for example, the build time, the carrier version, the branch, master date, kernel, and the model, the exact model. Alright, let me show you another code which will open the firmware version, and this code is, I believe, the easiest to remember. It is *##1234#. And as I said, there we've got the version. Let me show you another code. It is *##888#. And there we've got the PCB number and the QR code which you can scan and then learn more about the hardware of your device. Let's go back and let me show you, I believe, the last code for today's video. It is *##800#. And there we've got the statement, because basically we are opening the feedback menu. So here you can report some problems, some issues. So the developer, you can set it to the developer, and it will be analyzed and probably they will find a solution. So just tap on agree and continue, and basically you just have to find the section in which you've got some problems. So for example, with the display in the touch screen, the multimedia, camera, whatever, just find it. So let me choose maybe the display and then touch screen. And here you can decide what you want to report. So for example, the message, the navigation and gestures are now working, for example that one. Your device will ask you whether it can turn on the screen recording. Of course you can deny it, but I highly recommend to simply tap on always allow, thanks to which you will be able to capture the problem you really have, and then it will probably resolved. So as you can see, the last 15 minutes of the screen recording will be saved, so you can simply start. You can do the action in which you meet those kind of problems, and then send it to the developer. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.